In this video, we'll learn about the Voting Rights Act. After the Civil War, many states passed laws limiting the rights of Black Americans. Some of these laws made it harder for them to vote. Methods included expensive poll taxes and voter registration tests designed to trick them. Because of these tactics, only 43% of eligible Black Americans in the South were registered to vote in 1964, and those who could vote faced intimidation and violence at the polls. In 1965, civil rights leaders, including Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and John Lewis, led a march in Alabama to protest voter discrimination. Police officers violently attacked the demonstrators. Images of the violence were broadcast on TV stations around the world. The attack angered many Americans who demanded change. In response, President Johnson pressured Congress to pass the Voting Rights Act. He signed it into law on August 6, 1965.
There is no issue of states' rights or national rights. There is only the struggle for human rights. I have not the slightest doubt what will be your answer. But the last time a president sent a civil rights bill to the Congress, it contained a provision to protect voting rights in federal elections. That civil rights bill was passed after 8 long months of debate. And when that bill came to my desk from the Congress for my signature, the heart of the voting provision had been eliminated. This time, on this issue, there must be no delay or no hesitation or no compromise with our purpose.
The act outlawed racial discrimination in voting in the United States. It forced states with a history of voter suppression to get the federal government's permission before passing new voting laws, and allowed the federal government to send agents to watch over polling stations where voter intimidation was common. In 2013, the Supreme Court ruled that parts of the Voting Rights Act were unconstitutional and that the federal government cannot impose voting restrictions on an individual state. Today, activists argue this ruling has once again made it harder for people of color to vote in some parts of the country.